Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy stocks using eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you're not already, right here at eToro.com. If you're using it on your mobile device, you can just go ahead and open up the application. So once you've done that, you are going to see this join eToro option. This is going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one, so create one if you need one. If you already have one, just go ahead and log in using the login button right here in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to go ahead and log into your account. So once you've logged into your eToro account, you are going to be able to see your profile icon in the upper right corner that you can go ahead and open up to access your wallet. So let's go and take a look at how to buy stocks. Basically, here we have the official eToro website and an article on how to invest in stocks and how do we get started with buying stocks. So basically, here you have everything explained about stocks, what they are, how they work, and then we're going to go ahead and be taking a look at how to open up brokerage account. So this is a financial account that allows you to buy and sell stocks. So basically, guys, what you want to do is follow the steps right here. You're going to choose which stocks you want to buy, understand the risk, and then we can get started with opening up the account. So here you have the trading option. Once you've logged into your account, you can take a look at all the trading options you have, and then you can go and connect with your brokerage account to directly buy stocks from the eToro website and get started with trading right here. And that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.